In fact, in 2017 in Idaho, only 9 high schools out of nearly 200 were included. Among them were all 4 Boise School District high schools. It is my pleasure to announce that once again in 2018, for the 10th consecutive year, all 4 Boise high schools are included on the Washington Post list. Timberline High School has been consistently recognized as among the top high schools in the country. And in fact, using that ratio I spoke about in my initial remarks, Timberline will have the highest ratio of any public high school in the state of Idaho this year. In addition, 2018 will mark the 18th year that the Wolves have been included on the Post list. That's a pretty amazing accomplishment. And so it is with great pleasure that I present the 2018 Washington Post Most Challenging High Schools Award to Timberline High School Principal Ted Hettinga.